Did you know that 7 mysterious X marks appeared on temple walls across ancient kingdoms in just one night? Nobody could explain how they got there until a young astronomer named Hang Tuo made an incredible discovery. During a rare celestial event, these strange symbols carved themselves into stone. Kings and scholars were completely puzzled, but Hang Tuo noticed something amazing. Each X matched exactly where certain stars appeared in the sky that night. These weren't random marks. They were a celestial treasure map leading to 7 magical Yasin Wali coins. But there was a catch. The coins could only be found in a specific order and only during certain moon phases. The first X led Hang Tuo to a floating market where he found a coin hidden inside a fish that could sing. The second took him to a sultan's palace where the coin appeared as a reflection in a magic mirror. Each location presented harder puzzles that required ancient Malay number secrets and knowledge of 7 special stars. This became the greatest treasure hunt in Malaysian folklore.